Practice the G major significant scale before trying to play the tune. Scales help you become comfortable with the notes used in the piece. Practicing the G major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sa sa ga ga ri sa ri ga ri sa dha dha sa ri ga ri sa dha pa dha sa ri sa 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 ga ga ri sa ri ga ri sa dha dha sa ri ga ri sa dha pa dha sa sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.